To replace the cartridge, seats, and springs on a Delta 17 series bath faucet, turn off the water to the tub or shower. Pull off the cover on the temperature control knob. Remove the retaining screw. Remove the temperature control and the limit stop. Pull off the handle. Pull off the sleeve. If it won't come off easily, remove the escutcheon cover. Removing the escutcheon makes it easier to pull off the sleeve. Unscrew the nut holding the cartridge in place. The nut wouldn't turn, so I used penetrating oil to loosen it up. I sprayed both sides of the nut with plenty of oil. Tap the nut to help work the oil into the threads. Allow it to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. The oil and a large pair of pliers helped me remove the nut. You can use a slotted screwdriver in the slot on top of the cartridge to pry it out. The seats and springs are held in a plastic housing inside the valve body. You may have a screw holding the housing in place. If there is a screw, remove it. Use needle nose pliers to pull out the housing with the seats and springs. If the housing is stuck, the seats and springs may come out first. Make sure the drain opening is covered. Clean out any debris. The new seats and springs are in a housing. This one doesn't have a screw to hold it in place. It comes with a retainer to hold the seats and springs in place when you push the housing into the valve body. Coat the O-rings with plumber's silicone grease to protect the O-rings when pushing them in place. Push the housing into the valve firmly, then push down on the retainer to release it. This housing doesn't have a hole for the old screw. It will stay in place without it. The new cartridge has a plastic cover to protect the threaded hole in the cartridge. Pull it off. Pull off the top of the cartridge and find the words hot side. As you're facing the valve body, you want the hot side on the left. Replace the top of the cartridge. Put silicone grease on the O-rings to protect them. Push the cartridge into the valve, lining up the tabs on the cartridge to the notches on the valve. Put on the retaining nut and turn it clockwise. Snug down the nut with pliers or a pipe wrench. With the O-ring behind the nut, slide on the decorative sleeve. The O-ring holds the sleeve in place. Replace the escutcheon and screw it in place. Line up the notches on the handle to the cartridge with the handle on the right side. The limit stop has H and C marked on the face for hot and cold. There's a tab on the handle to control how far the temperature handle will turn. Start with the tab between the H and C. Put the temperature control over the limit stop with the extended tab on the left of the tab on the handle. Hold it in place with the screw. At this point, you can turn on the water and check if the temperature range is good. Remove the screw and adjust the limit stop if needed. Snap the cover over the temperature control.